May tanong ko, kung malaman mo na naka-cluster lashes si Chao, nung magbabago pa tingin mo sa kanya?
I'd love him even more for that. Imagine ganun ka nakapogi, tas nakahanap ka pa ng way na kaya ko pang mas pumogi kesa
Diba?
dito.
Meron siya
Akala mo
Chinese
In a
na
very
ganun
unique
niya.
way, if you think about it. Like, paano niya naisip na yun yung makakatulong sa lalo pa niyang
Makakapagpapogi.
pagpapogi?
Diba?
One, two, sarang!
Hey!
Annyeong, this is Chancy.
Hello, my name is Pia.
Hi, this is Monica, and welcome to another episode of One, Two, Sarang, your K-pop and K-drama podcast.
Yes.
Annyeong.
I will go straight to my opening question.
Uh-huh.
What for you is the most inconvenient time to teleport?
While in the middle of
Yes.
very intimate moments. By yourself.
I knew
or with
someone was
partner,
gonna-
or, you know.
Someone was gonna say that, of
Yes.
course.
I was
Go there.
trying to think
Yeah.
of something a little bit more creative, but honest to goodness, that is just the worst. Tapos mati-teleport ka pa in front of a lot of people.
Oh my God.
On stage.
Naked,
Oh, no.
ganon.
Or,
Or-
no.
Diba?
no.
Naked.
In the
Your
act of
pants down.
undress,
Shitting.
Mm.
Oo.
Correct.
Diba?
Ikaw, Pia, what's
Babayaran ba
an
nila ako for
inconvenient
that?
time
Charot.
for you?
Mm-mm.
Yung sa akin, sort of similar in a way, but like, as a small bladder girly, yung iihi ka na tapos na-teleport ka pa, parang, why?
Oo.
No! I have to pee right now!
Yung saktong kakapasok mo lang ng banyo.
Oo, yung ready ka na. Alam mo yun?
Sa malayong lugar na walang
No.
banyo.
And then mati-teleport ka
iyak
like in the
talaga.
middle of a crowded place. Tapos parang, cannot anymore.
So, tapos madumi na yung banyo doon. Yung, oh my God, cannot.
Or hindi mo mahanap yung
Ikaw
banyo.
mo. Oh my, iiyak talaga.
Or may banyo,
Hanap
tas
ka pa.
nakalock.
Oh my God. Doon na lang ako sa gilid, nagawa ko na
Kailangan
yun.
mo pa kunin yung susi sa cashier ng gas station attendant. Ganon.
Pero bakit hindi ka mag-teleport sa loob ng banyo?
But you can't control
Kasi
it.
akala ko,
Oh, hindi
You
ko pa
can't control
nakokontrol.
this
Baka
teleportation.
okay, can control.
Oo.
Okay.
Ako naman, in light of these K-drama-esque happenings in the government, I feel like the worst time to teleport is when you're about, kunwari ako ang may power to execute talaga, no. To remove a person, one of these persons in power, to, mahuli sila, ma-impeach, etc. Tapos biglang mawawala ka.
Oo.
Hawak-hawak mo na yung ruling. Tapos biglang, ploop, you're nowhere. So, cancel ang impeachment. That
Kasi-
kind sucks.
Kasi hindi kayo nag-quorum.
Kasi nawala ako. Nasa akin
Kumbaga yung pangalawang envelope nung kay Erap,
Correct.
bago nila
Oh my God,
papagbotohan,
sobrang luma.
nawala.
Oo.
Diba?
Alam
Sobrang
niyo yan,
hassle.
90s reference. Oh, early 2000s reference.
Naku,
Yeah.
dapat alam niyo talaga yun kasi that's part of our history. Dapat
Yeah.
hindi binabalik yung mga ganyan ulit.
Correct.
But it's a good thing that you mentioned the 90s because we are going to be talking about a K-drama that is set in the 90s. Like Y2K, o diba? Pang ilang Y2K drama na to. At pang ilang superhero
Obsessed.
drama na to, diba? I think we like this. We've talked about Moving before. We also talked about Uncanny Encounter. Tama ba? Uncanny Counter.
Uncanny Counter.
Yan. Uncanny Counter.
Yes.
And this time around, we are going to be talking about The Wonderfools, another superhero or not so superhero kind of K-drama, but fun. So for this episode, we'll be asking these. What was your first impression for the first episode? And did you end up liking it? And syempre, because it is about a bunch of fools, ano yung mga favorite foolish moments natin? And finally, of course, we are going to be rating this drama and we are going to share kung paano at ano ang gusto naming i-recommend about this drama. So, this episode is for the K-drama lovers out there. Sarangbe, K-drama lovers, annyeong! Like our
Annyeong!
episode, share to friends if you like this episode. And maybe you can also drop some K-drama titles in the comments that you want us to watch. Kasi malay mo, pwede naming panoorin yun, you know? So, because this is about a K-drama and it's been out for a while now, major spoiler alert, we are not gonna hold back unless gusto nyong makinig just cause or gusto nyong malaman kung worth it ba talaga panoorin ang K-drama na to. Of course, you're always welcome. But please don't hate us because, like I said, I'm not gonna hold back. We are not gonna hold back on the details in this drama. Syempre, before we go any further, about the drama, super quick, this is an 8-episode K-drama that all dropped on May 15. I had to mention that because that was my birthday. It dropped on Netflix.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, pero hindi na
Oh.
May. So, matagal na akong
Oo
tumanda
nga.
a year. Wow. So, this is set in the late 90s, Y2K. It's like a doomsday action comedy kind of drama. O, diba? Yung words pa lang na yon, it sounds so much fun already. And this was directed by Yoo In-shik, who directed the Dr. Romantic series and, of course, one of our favorites, Extraordinary Attorney Woo. It's written by Ho Da-jung. And, surprise, surprise, guess kung ano pa ang naisulat niya before. Chuk!
Uncanny Counter.
No. Extreme Job. O, diba? Kind of
Wow.
makes sense.
Okay, it makes
Right?
sense.
This was also created by
Okay.
Kang Un-kyung. She wrote Gyeongsong Creatures, which is unfortunate but also makes sense. And she was also part of the Dr. Romantic series. O, diba? Sa mga lovers of Gyeongsong Creatures, don't hate us. We have our thoughts. Backstory.
But I love Dr. Romantic series. So
yeah. I guess, ganon. Marami siyang different likes, di ba? So, backstory lang sa creation story of this drama. This is actually an adaptation of a story idea by the Stan Lee, okay? So, he had this material called The B-Team, and at the beginning, they developed it with the Korean production company nga. So, for the B-Team, it's about a fight between B-rated superheroes and a mad scientist who created them. So, at the beginning, Stan Lee's prod company, parang they were involved in the planning and the development. Pero as the development progressed, the story pivoted, it was revamped. So parang naging original na rin siya. Kaya then they changed the title because initially the working title of this drama was the B-Team. Pero I guess since original na nila to, they changed it to The Wonderfools. Ang pagbabalik ni Asian Wiki plot synopsis. Set during the year 1999, when some people thought that the end of the world was approaching, Un Cheni, played by Park Un-bin, lives in Haesong City. Her only relative is her grandmother, Kim Jon-bok, who runs a well-known restaurant in Haesong. Un Cheni is an unpredictable person with a bright personality. One day, she is caught up in an unexpected incident. It's a very funny incident. And suddenly gains a supernatural power. When this occurred, parang wrong grammar siya. When this occurs, she happens to be with her neighbors Son Gyung-hun and Kang Robin. They also gain their supernatural powers, but their supernatural powers are not perfect. Not perfect. Ang bait naman ng Asian Wiki. Flawed. Yan. I think that's the better word, diba? Meanwhile, Lee Eun-jong, played by Cha Eun-woo, arrived in Haesong City from Seoul and has been working as a civil servant at the local city hall. He is very strict with keeping his principles and he lacks social skills at his work. Outside of the city hall, he is a bit of a mysterious person. He approaches the series of disappearances that takes place in Haesong City, which Un Cheni And then Ha Won-do seems like a cool-headed and rational person, but he has the dark desire behind that veneer. What a random sentence. Un Chae-ni and her neighbors, Son Gyung-hoon and Kang Robin,
Asian
who
Wiki!
have gained
Help!
supernatural powers unexpectedly, fight against a villain who threatens the peace of Haesong City. Wow, hindi nagpapatalo si Asian Wiki. Hindi.
We
I
still
mean,
love
every time we do Asian Wiki, it's just a surprise. Like,
Yeah.
pleasant.
May mga
Alam mo yun, surprise.
random sentences na sumisingit na parang nakakasira
Oo.
ng
Exactly.
train of thought, 'di ba? Akala ko kinukwento ko na siya na maayos pero hindi. May veneers.
I think it's Asian Wiki's way of keeping us on our toes.
Yeah.
or
as
ano,
fact checkers.
quiz
As
talaga
fact
siya.
checkers.
'Di ba? Para you have to
Correct.
call them out. Na parang, nope, that's not correct. Ganon.
Oo. Parang New York Times lang. Pag mahanap mo, meron kang prize.
Prize. Ganon.
Oo.
But
Pag may mahanap kang
anyway,
grammatical error.
Yeah. So cast of The Wonderfuls, of course, as mentioned, Park Eun-bin as Un Chae-ni, the train wreck of Haesong City. So, meron siyang terminal heart condition. She faked her own kidnapping, and that failed kidnapping resulted in her temporary death, but she is resurrected because nagkaroon siya ng superpower, which is teleporting whenever her heart rate spikes. Cha Eun-woo, who plays Lee Eun-jung, so civil servant nga, ang superpower niya, telekinesis. A very, very hot Korean 11 of Stranger Things, diba?
Correct.
Period 11.
Si Choi Dae-hoon played Son Gyung-hoon. We last saw him in Beyond Evil and When Life Gives You Tangerines, for
When
which
Life Gives
he
You
has won
Tangerines.
Beksang Award for his performance there. Ang cute ng character niya because he is a chronic complainant at Haesong City Hall Complaint Center. Kasi lagi niyang kino-complain na merong toxic waste coming from this dump site. And his superpower
Tama
is the
siya.
ability, tama siya. His superpower is the ability to secrete a powerful adhesive from his hands whenever he tells a lie, which only releases once he speaks the truth. Ang next friend ay si Im Song-jae, who plays Kang Robin. We saw him in Vincenzo as the monk. I don't know if you guys remember that. And Moving. He
correct.
was in Moving.
Oo.
So, his character here, he is a timid kitchen hand / onion peeler at Hearty House. Hearty House is the restaurant Hearty House is the restaurant that is owned by Chinese Halmoni. More on her later. Kasi si Kang Robin, ang superpower niya, has to be mentioned, is superhuman strength that is triggered exclusively when he is insulted or hears profanity. So, Halmonies, Kim Hae-suk, who plays the Chinese Halmoni, our favorite Halmoni. How can we forget her in Startup, diba? Like, she is good voice.
Correct.
Grandma. She is secretly filthy rich in this K-drama. Restaurant owner in the
Does
front.
it show?
Filthy rich in the back. And lumabas din na she was the former financier of the Secret Research Lab. Yung Secret Research Lab, doon ang galing itong toxic waste, dito nang galing yung superpowers na na-obtain nitong ating mga heroes. And finally, hindi pa lang finally, pero the villain here is Son Young-ju, who plays the scientist Ha Won-do. So basically, he ran the Wunderkinder Project. It's a covert human experimentation program that granted children superhuman abilities. And he was in prison, but after he was released, he reunites with his surviving test subjects to locate a former patient, the Child of Eternity. Kailangan ma-mention din na ang surviving test subjects na to ay yung the Wunderkinders, si Kim Palo, si Juran, and si Horan, played by Bae Nara, Jung Yi-so, and Choi Yoon-ji. Ang mga powers nila is, si Palo, he has the ability to manipulate gravity. Si Juran, she can brainwash. And si Horan, she can create hallucinations. Sobrang fun ng mga characters na to. But we go back to the beginning. Ano ang first impression nyo nung una nyong napanood ito? Like, first episode, what did you think of it?
I feel like this K-drama arrived at the wrong time of my tiredness. Yung first episode, nakailang attempts ako, lagi ako nakakatulog while watching it. So parang, I felt like the first episode was like such a hurdle for me. At parang, hindi ko talaga siya maano. Parang, I get the appeal, I get the charm, I love the cast. Pero for some reason, I don't know, the first episode was like a huge hurdle for me before I really like appreciated it.
Gets naman. I mean, that happens to us, you know, when our minds are elsewhere. Ang hirap talaga to, you know, understand what's going on the screen, no matter how colorful or, alam mo yon, engaging it could be or should be. Diba?
Yeah.
At what point nag-click na siya for you?
I don't really, honestly, I don't remember. Second or third, maybe. Pero kasi, parang with this K-drama, bigla ko lang na-realize na napaka-unforgiving ng Netflix dropping everything at once. It's like, parang specifically targeted to people with a lot of time, which I do not have currently. Yung gano'n, na parang, especially coming from Perfect Crown, like you have something to look forward to at the end of the week, yung ganon.
Yes.
Ito kasi parang it's forcing you to sit down and watch everything. So, ang dami kong, yun nga, I'm going through a lot personally, ganon. Para kaya ang dami kong, ganon lang. But that's me. It has me and the whole concept of dropping everything all at once.
Gets.
Ayun.
Gets naman. Kaya nakahudi ka, wala lang, bagay sa mood.
Ginagaya ko lang si Chenny.
Oo.
Because Chenny. Like Chenny. Like Chenny. Oo.
Ang
Yun
slow
yung
ni
iniisip ko the whole
Trenzy.
time pag tinatawag
Talaga.
siyang Chenny.
Chani. In all fairness, like, I remember enjoying it, the first episode. I mean, that's why, like, I ended up watching the entirety of it with ease.
Yeah.
But I don't remember specifically what of the first episode I really truly liked. I think generally the energy siguro of it, and si Unbin. Park
Unbin, of
I think
course.
siya talaga. Oo. Parang she is just, it's just fun. It's just a very, very fun first step from what I can recall. Si Chaon dun na, no? Oo. Pero in all fair, sige, later na si Chaon, kasi parang medyo revelation sa akin dito.
May thoughts din ako na ganyan.
Natuwa ako sa kanya.
Correct,
Oo,
correct.
Parang in all fairness naman.
From the moment, first opening scene, when they played Creep of Radiohead, I knew that this was
Correct.
love at first, second. Because, you know, it's very rare that we hear Western music in a K-drama.
Yeah.
And music that I
Correct.
love. Like, you know, I grew up with Radiohead and all that. And then, Unbin pa, initially, I had hesitations kasi nung nakita ko yung trailer, parang yung movements niya very attorney Woo pa rin. Medyo ganito pa rin yung
Talaga?
nakita ko here. Yeah, parang may kiti-kiti.
To a certain
May
degree.
kiti-kiti siyang way.
Oo.
Hindi kasi
of
both kayo
acting.
sinasabi nyo yun. Parang
Oo.
sa akin, parang di ko naman na-feel. But that's me. Again, I'm different.
Oo.
Anyway,
Oo.
yeah, go lang.
Parang nakita ko siya, pero alam mo yon at first episode, na-forgive ko agad. Kasi parang, okay, this is her character. Like, inabsorb ko na lang siya as part of it. Like, I didn't, sometimes, I find myself like, comparing na, nagawa mo na yan before. Like, why is this any different? Or parang, yan lang ba range mo or something? Parang ito, pasok na pasok eh. Kasi, nakakatawa tong show na to eh. Alam mo yon. So, I guess we can go straight to
correct. Oo.
like, what I wanted to ask you guys is, did you end up liking it? Like, I can start. Super duper duper loved it. Since I started with the comedy already, my gosh, I think I haven't laughed so hard in such a long time. Kahit na parang in a way, madali ko tong pinapanood kasi sinisingit ko lang siya while I'm doing a project right now. Pero sobrang memorable. Parang ang sarap ng halakhak ko. Parang ganun yung feeling ko every time may mga eksenang ganun.
Oo.
Kayo, if you guys liked it, ano yung mga highlights nyo that you wanna like point out in this, about this K-drama?
I super enjoyed the comedy, and I think it's highly because of, like, Eunbin, yes, but also yung dalawang characters around her, the trio, I guess.
Yes.
Especially yung yung lalaki na
Si Samchon.
nakakatawa talaga, hindi ko talaga,
nakakatawa.
alam mo, sobrang favorite ko talaga siya dito. I think of all
His
the
characters.
stuff that I've seen of him.
Yeah.
Parang ito ata yung pinaka-favorite ko sa kanya kasi parang, like, ang balanced Alam mo yun, parang
Correct.
like, he can go insanely, parang slapstick. And then may mga moments of parang tenderness na parang, isang galing yun. Hindi ko yun na-expect Mga ganon. And it's so silly. Sobrang silly lang. But it's not so in your face. I think yun for me. In general with the show. Parang like, it's silly. Like, yes, si Eunbin can be a little bit, alam mo yun, parang like, look at me, I'm a dwarf. May ganun siyang minsan, like, hi-ho, hi, may ganun siyang vibe. Alam mo yun. Pero
Yes.
parang it works, alam mo yun, and it works for the character, and it works with the chemistry of everyone there. I mean, like, kahit na nga si Cha Eun-woo na parang, I've only seen him in, what's that? True Beauty? Yung pakiramdam ko parang nadala nilang lahat din si Cha Eun-woo, and I am pleasantly surprised by how much I like him here. Alam mo yun, parang sakto lang sa kanya yung gantong character. Alam mo yun, parang it doesn't ask much from him.
But be pretty.
But and also, effective pa din naman. Alam mo yun?
But somehow, kahit na it kasi parang brooding character siya eh. Alam mo yun, may secret, mysterious
Correct.
guy,
Oo.
etc. So, hindi kailangan ng big, I don't know, dramatic prowess. Pero kasi, meron siya mga moments, yung pag mga, I don't know, parang, hindi naman flashbacks. Pero yung mga, yung mga reflecting moments. Or yung pag nagigising siya sa nightmares, tas nakasando na sobrang
Correct.
pogi. Parang,
Ano ba? Siya ba o yung Sando?
Teka lang. One at a time. Pero gets, parang yung ganun, kahit na,
Inubo.
oo nga eh. Pogi kasi, tapos nagyosi pa siya. Parang,
Sobrang
man. In like
Grabe,
a white
tapos
sando.
grabe siya. And yung
Sobrang
pagyoyosi
hot
niya
nun.
kasi sobrang marunong siya magyosi.
Yeah.
Correct.
Tapos,
Oo nga.
grabe siya yung drag
Kaibigan ni
malalim.
JK.
Exactly, yun din sabi ng anak ko.
Correct.
And also,
Correct.
like, parang may
Tropang
mga
Itaewon.
scenes na parang, bakit paulit-ulit tayo nagyoyosi? Kailangan pa rin ba? Parang,
ano?
ano nangyayari? Bakit? Anyway.
Tapos hindi
Parang
na siya
it
nag-yosi
builds
sa dulo.
character. ganun.
Parang nag-quit na lang siya bigla.
Oo.
Kasi,
nga, correct.
may friends na siya. Kasi tinali na yung mga
Correct,
gamit
oo nga.
niya.
Oo,
Hindi na siya stress.
totoo.
Oo.
Nahiya siya. Sabi niya, oh my God, second-hand smoke.
Oh.
Pero,
Eh, may sakit pa
gets
naman siya.
yung,
ganun.
oo,
Totoo.
Parang yung mga mata-mata moments niya na ganun. Parang, okay, I wanna look deep in your
think-
eyes. Like, I
Oo.
see it. I see what you're going through. Parang ganun yung thought process ko. Or baka masyado lang ako kinikilig. Pwede rin naman.
No, but sobrang gets. Kaya parang I feel like mga actors nga na poging tulad sa kanya. Poging tulad sa kanya. Yung ganung klaseng level of handsome. In fairness, magaling sila sa mga ganyang vulnerability mo. I think yun yung unang tinitrain sa kanila.
Correct.
And also, speaking of his eyes, like, ang hirap hindi titigan yung mata niya.
So, true
Can
that.
you notice like his lashes are curled only at the end? Pero yung gitna straight. As in, tinititigan ko talaga kasi
Wow,
para siya
girl.
may eyeliner.
In
Grabe
fairness,
yung titig
intense
mo.
na
Do you think
pagtitig
natural yun?
natin. Oo.
Feeling ko, ginugal ko siya. Parang naghanap ako kung curled ba talaga yung lashes niya. Pero
Oo.
mapapansin mo yung dulo talaga. Pag ganun, para siyang naka-eyeliner kasi.
Oo. May,
So, tititingnan
may tanong
ko,
ako.
May naka-curl. Oh.
May tanong ako, kung malaman mo na naka-cluster lashes si Chaon, magbabago pa tingin mo sa kanya.
I'd love him even more for that. Imagine ganun ka nakapogi, tas nakahanap ka pa ng way na kaya ko pang mas pumogi kesa
Diba?
dito.
Meron siya
Akala mo
Chinese
In a
Chinese
very
na
unique
ganun
way, if you think about it. Like, paano niya naisip na yun yung makakatulong sa lalo pa niyang
makakapagpapogi.
pagpapogi?
niya. Naka-elongate kasi ng mata pag nasa dulo
Correct.
lang siya.
Oo, ganun.
But I must admit
Grabe,
talaga,
Important
ang daming moments. Kasi yung styling niya dito, Clark Kent eh. Alam mo yun, with the glasses,
Oo.
the
Correct,
suit.
oo.
Pag nasa City Hall siya, like, nanginginig ako sa uno-uno, parang nginig talaga. As in, sobrang pogi talaga na hindi na ako makakoncentrate. Yun yung ano ko, yun yung
nakikinig na rin.
problem ko minsan.
Habang nanonood si Monica na Wonderful, nagkukumbulsyon siya.
Tama na siya, no. Parang gano'n.
Kukumbulsyon siya. Bubula yung bibig.
But yeah, I thought Chanu did well too. Going back lang to yung sinasabi mo, yung kay what's his name? Si Sticky Hands.
Si Samchon.
Si Sam.
Hands.
Si
Si
Samchon.
Samchon.
Oo.
Super love him here. Mm-mm.
Parang isa sa mga favorite things ko about this drama is ang ganda ng pagkalatag, ang ganda ng mga backstory, tsaka ng character development ng bawat isa. I mean, starting off with how unique their powers are. Parang, 'di ba? Parang ang random, okay, Sticky Hands, pag naglalay siya, and then pag nagtutruth, ma-release. Parang, that's so random. And then, si Robin, parang superhuman strength. Like, he's such a crybaby, alam mo yun, tapos onion peeler siya. Parang, yung mga ganun bang little, parang laro siya, alam mo yun, na parang, oo, kasi iyakin siya, bigyan natin siya onions, parang ganun, para babad yung mga eksena niyang iyakin siya. Ganun. Parang natutuwa ako sa kung saan nanggaling yung mga characters. Kahit na napaka-random, alam mo yon. And, well, this is like, well, not really anti-hero, pero this is the unexpected hero kind of story nga, diba? Na parang hindi
Correct.
perfect yung kanilang powers. Pero meron ding pinanggagalingan. Like, so parang technically when they activate their powers, it's because of something that's triggered from something connected to them. Parang ganon. Parang natuwa ako, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako sa detail na yun. Kasi nakatuwa, and at the same time, you know how, what we always say na they try to inject as much like how Korean, not necessarily Korean, pero alam mo yun, very Korean ugali kasi like for example, si Sticky Hands nga, si Samchon, parang the only reason why he has to tell lots of lies is because under siya ng asawa niya. Yung mga ganun ba? Parang naka-create pa rin yung world na very distinctly Korean characters that we know, but make it superhero. Does that make sense? Am I just babbling here? Pero
Yeah.
parang sobrang gusto ko yung ganong development ng mga characters nila in this drama. Yun. Ayun lang. Sharing. Ikaw, Pia, meron ka bang mga favorite things about anything that you wanna highlight about this show?
Then, in general, yun nga, just the silliness of it all. Every once in a while, my daughter would sit with me and watch with me. And then, both of us would just laugh together. And then, si Samchon din yung favorite naming dalawa. Parang sabi niya, kahit saan talaga siyang drama, he's really parang that kind of character. Parang
Yeah.
ganon. Na parang medyo annoying na pero there's like the
May heart.
comedic timing is always so perfect.
On point.
It's
Super.
always spot, as in perfected. Parang ganon. Yung talagang
Correct.
alam mo kung kailan niya, memorize niya yung beat. Tapos, pasok. Tapos yung talagang alam niyang parang how to push all your funny buttons. So, parang ang tagal na rin namin na hindi tumawa ng ganun sa K-drama ng anak ko kasi iba usually yung mga pinapanood namin together. So I like that. And then she also drew a lot of mga comparisons with Stranger Things. I did not watch that, but she watched it
Yes.
with her dad. So parang inaano niya na, ganito din yung power. Ganun din, nosebleed din sila kapag ganito.
Oo.
Mga ganyang mga comparison na parang, okay, hindi ko naman masyadong gets. But yeah. But I like, syempre, again, as a mother, yung mga relationship na ganon. Like the Harmony and kay Eunbi kind of relationship na parang at first feeling mo cold and distant lang, but then parang later ma-unfold yung love na meron siya sa granddaughter niya. Even if it was presented, I guess, in a wrong way because they had to illegally get the heart of somebody else, put it for her. So yun, I really like their relationship and how it all panned out in a very typical Harmony role. Parang lagi din ganun yung mga role niya eh. But then I guess here with the silliness na lumabas dito,
Correct.
it makes it like a fun watch and it makes it so enjoyable. And the heartfelt moments is also parang sobrang perfectly balanced yung ganon. Parang Although, parang yun lang din. Parang, okay, gets naman. Parang, this is my first time to see Unu parang be more there as an actor.
More
As opposed
present,
to just
ganon.
exist. Oo,
Correct.
parang ganon. Pero parang medyo, I don't know, parang yung reunion with the mom thing, parang dun lang, parang, bakit hindi ako namumove? Parang yun lang yung ano ko. But then again, maybe it's just me and my mood while watching this whole thing.
I just want to add dun sa Halmoni kasi sobrang siya yung favorite Halmoni ko din ngayon. As in,
Oo.
because she's also in Royal Nemesis and she is amazing there. As in, na niya, na-perfect na niya ang pagiging kind of rough around the edges but touching Halmoni. And then there's one scene here in Wonderful na I super love. Kasi parang yun talaga yung parang, okay, like, they're really like, kumbaga, kindred souls as like grandmother and granddaughter. Yung, kita mo na yung nila, similarities nila in how they
React, act.
Yung react, oo. Parang may isang scene na parang cut siya na parang nagalakad si Unbin, tapos nagalakad si Grandma, so they were both happy and they were reacting to their happiness the same way. Na parang,
Oh, yeah!
cute!
Yung buong yun,
Cute nun. Sobrang
Oo, I
cute nun.
super
Oo.
love that scene.
Yung sumasayaw sila habang naglalakad.
Yes, oo, habang
Correct.
naglalakad. Sobrang cute.
Na,
Parang ako like,
nagka-solo moment, nagka-solo pa siya, si Halmoni. Kasi 'di ba? Tama, 'di ba?
Oo.
Parang basta umalis na si Chenny tapos may solo dance break. Break talaga si Halmoni.
Oo.
Sobrang cute niya nun. That must have been fun to shoot.
As
Oo.
in.
Gusto ko rin i-mention na this is, I thought that this was such a well-directed, well-framed, well-shot K-drama. Like, every single frame for me was very, very, oh my God. Given though, syempre, very Western influence.
Oo.
Correct.
Pero kasi parang,
super.
how can you not be influenced? Kasi like, alam mo yun, from its very roots, coming from Stan Lee, alam mo yun,
Stan Lee,
Marvel
exactly.
Correct.
stuff. Like, how can they not involve that, embed that in their brains, that it has to be that, dynamic, it has to be that impressive, I guess, very, very pang blockbuster talaga. Parang may sobrang favorite, sa mga sobrang favorite shots ko. So nakidnap na si Chenny, tapos dapat operahan na siya to that old dude, pero rescue siya, and then there's like a gun war
Oh my God, I
thing.
love that
Tapos
scene
nasa
too.
gurney siya, tapos 360.
Oo.
Like, oh my God.
Yes.
Like, take my money. Na pag ganun talaga ako.
Love that.
And
Oo.
even like yung parang, yung sa very beginning when she was in that greenhouse, and then,
Oo.
tawag dito, sorry, after that greenhouse, diba parang she was floating on top of the grass or something that,
Parang what's that,
gladiator,
Roman soldier?
but not quite.
Ala gladiator. Roman soldier. Kinakaya ko ng utak natin today. Ala gladiator.
And then even the mounting of the fight scenes. Like, sometimes kasi parang sa mga K-drama, pag mga action sequence, although of course a lot have done really well in sequences like that, pero meron din parang Pilipinas lang na petics or something. But I guess dahil nga superhero show to, they had to storyboard this like per frame just so that they can get the shot,
Correct.
they can get the visuals perfected and alam mo yon, worthy of the story that they created, which hindi lang siya, it feels like they developed it for a while. Although, parang I think they started in 2021 ba yun, yung nabasa ko. So, that's still fairly recently. But, a lot of K-dramas, mas mabilis siyang dinidevelop. So, in a way, this is one of the longer ones. Alam mo yun, na matagal nang naka pre-production. Parang that kind of thing. I guess since we said that this was hella funny, were there favorite like funny moments that like you can't forget, like yung mga foolish moments? I want to start with, so there's like the Wunderkinder, what's that? The Wunderkinder project. Tawang-tawa ako, sobrang tawang-tawa ako that yung narinig nila is Boondocking Duck. I still laugh, sorry.
Correct. Oo.
Hindi naman kayo tumatawa. Ayoko na nga.
Hindi kasi madami din kasi akong, I don't know, this is just like faults of learning the language. Ang dami kasing mga parang hindi naman mali, iba yung pagkaka-translate. So parang yun pinakikinggan ko kasi 'di ba duck is uri. So parang baka parang parang kino-connect ko dun sa pagkasabi dun sa words. Anyway, sorry. Hindi yata ako nakakatulong.
What were your other favorite?
Wunderkind, parang uri, parang may uri siya doon somewhere. Kaya siguro parang there's a Korean to English translation. Kaya hindi natin din ma-appreciate. Parang gano'n. Anyway, sorry.
Okay. But do you have like favorite funny moments if may na-absorb ka man while watching this?
Tawang-tawa ako dun sa nila when they were trying to figure out their powers and then yung na-realize nga nila na
Funny.
it's lying na magpapastick
Yeah.
dun kay Samchon. Because it's just so silly, like from the first time na yung na-stuck siya dun sa ref.
Correct,
Parang as in yun pala, tawa ka ng tawa na parang what the hell, what a super stupidly useless superpower to have. Like, what is that good for? Tapos sabi ng anak ko sa akin, for parkour, mom. I'm like, it actually makes sense because, yeah.
Pero yun nga yung problem lang dun sa power na yun. Ibig sabihin, the entire time, you have to be talking to yourself.
Correct.
Diba? Kasi kailangan magsisinungaling ka. Tapos para makagalaw ka, matanggal mo.
Magsabi ka ng
Tapos
truth.
totoo. So, ang hirap. It's a mental gymnastics din siya, guys.
Oo, di ba?
Pero ang galing
Parang
niya.
sinasaywar mo yung sarili mo.
Correct. Oo.
'Di ba yung yung nag-escape siya sa lab tapos siya, nagko-crawl siya sa ceiling. Tapos
Correct.
kinakausap niya yung sarili niya. Ang galing nga ng pagkatimpla niya kasi parang kabadong-kabado. Kumbaga scared siya na mahuhulog siya. And yet, he is still able to muster like, kasi syempre when you lie, like you really have to believe it, I guess, for the stickiness to
Yeah.
work.
Oo.
So,
Yeah.
imagine, takot na takot ka and yet convincing pa rin enough to lie. So, gumagana pa rin yung superpower mo. Kaya tawa ako dun sa parang, galing mo ah.
I feel like I kind of get his powers na. Kasi parang, pag nagsisinungaling siguro siya, kinakabahan siya. So, pag kinakabahan siya, nagsisweat yung palms niya. So, yung sweat
adhesive.
is the stick, yung adhesive.
Ah.
Parang ganun. So, ibig sabihin ba lahat ng powers nila associated to the things that make them a little bit kaba? Kasi di ba si Cheney din kinakabahan?
Oo.
Yeah.
Masakit
Like
pa
what I
bumilis
mentioned,
yung heartbeat.
oo. Kaya what I mentioned
Oo, tas yung
earlier,
isa din.
parang yung superheroes nila, medyo connected to how they are as persons. Na,
correct.
alam mo yun. Like si Robin.
Anxiety triggers.
Oo. And anxiety triggers talaga siya. Si Robin, super takot na takot sa mundo. Hindi niya kayang sumagot, maka-hurt ng people. And yet, for his superhuman strength to work, kailangan minumura siya. Kailangan ini-insult siya. Which is funny because all his life, yun yung ginagawa sa kanya. Parang ganon. Kasi siya pushover siya diba?
Yeah.
So parang ang
Tsaka
super
parang
flawed.
si Samchon din, tinawag siya ng asawa niya na, basta something about his tongue, di ba? Like, parang may something siya about the way he speaks.
Oo.
Kaya ganun din yung pagka-connect ng superpower niya.
Correct.
Pero yung paa din niya kumo-connect kahit naka-shoes siya.
Exactly, actually. Totoo. Natawa
Diba?
ko dun.
Tapos parang minsan yung katawan din niya
Flower shop.
kumo-connect.
Medyo na-confuse ako dun sa part na parang yung nakadikit na siya dun sa malaking mascot. Tapos parang,
It's my
tas
favorite,
dinikit niya rin
though.
yung ibang mga tao.
Oo.
Tapos biglang lahat na sila dumikit. So parang ako like, okay, so pag may hinawakan ba siya or something, or madaplisan niya, parang didikit ka na rin.
Didikit ka na rin.
So, in
Oo nga
short,
eh.
Dumikit
Oo.
silang lahat
In
bigla
short,
eh.
hindi pala adhesive ang power niya. Magnetic. Siya yung magnetic force.
May static ganun.
Oo.
Baka electrostasis pa lalo. Kasi hindi naman magnet yung mascot eh. Oo.
Correct.
Well, in that world, anything can be any. So, alam mo yun. Because
That's
it's so
true.
silly,
True
parang
that.
ina-accept ko na lang, honestly. Diba?
Oo.
Yeah.
The most random
True that.
things.
Totoo.
And even Cheney, like, my gosh, kailangan niyang magpagod. Yung ikot siya ng ikot
Kailangan
para
niya yung
tumaas
coffee
yung
jelly.
heart rate niya. That was,
Oo.
I mean,
Coffee
who
jelly.
thinks of that, diba? Parang tawang-tawa ako na parang I can't
Oo.
believe yun yung naisip nyo para mag-activate yung superpower niya, diba? But
Pero in all
anyway,
fairness, towards the end, naging ano na siya, kailangan lang niya isipin na hinalikan siya ni Chao Nu.
which is so cute. I think we
That's
do
enough
the
caffeine
same.
for us every
Right?
morning.
I mean,
Diba?
siguro pag halikan ako Chao Nu, baka hindi ako mag-stop mag-teleport for like 5 minutes.
5
5
minutes
minutes
lang.
lang.
Ay, parang nakakapagod pag 10 minutes, girl. Like every second, poof, 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 poof. Ganun ako.
Well, I've
saan-
always
saan ako
wanted to be a
pupunta,
world
you know?
traveler, so Chao Nu, sige,
World traveler
pahalik
in
naman.
5 minutes.
Oh.
Oo.
I'd take it.
Oo.
Well, you were saying, what's your
Yung
favorite
akin,
scene?
Yung favorite scene ko, because I feel like it is just slapstick comedy at its finest, is yung kidnapping. As in, sobrang, nategi na si Eunbin. Tapos yung hijinks lang na gano'n, dinadala pa nila sa Tapos yung parang sobrang ganda lang kasi nung chemistry nung dalawang actors na yun eh.
Oo.
Alam mo yun, they're like,
Correct.
they know comedy. Alam mo
Correct.
yun, know how to work it. And ang ganda lang, ang saya-saya lang panoorin. And it's very physical.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, yung talagang, kaya nakatayo yung isa, tapos may sumisilip
Correct.
na gano'n. Tapos yung
Correct.
kailangan mahulog sila with the what do you call that? With the
the-
wagon,
the-
pababa. Oo.
That's true.
O, tapos yung nasa tubig sila, 'di ba? Parang nakakatuwa. As in sobrang I think in general, parang yun yung nakuha ng maayos ng show na to for me. Like yung the slapstick angle of it. Na parang sometimes kasi if there's too much slapstick, it's a little too corny na. But I feel like sobrang ganda ng timpla nito. With the
And
the
I guess that's where,
with the antaw dito, with the fight scenes and all that, it really just worked.
I guess that's where the chemistry comes in too. Because these three, they were in Attorney Woo together. Parang nasa rotation siya ng director. So it's like they know they've worked with each other for a long time now. So it's nice to see na, when you're long-time collaborators, mas magaling kayo. I don't know. 'Di ba? Kasi parang
Correct.
sobrang natural lang nung pagka-trio nila of that gang of unusual superheroes.
I was gonna ask kasi parang like what do you guys think about the fight scenes? Kasi I really enjoyed it din. As in, parang yung especially yung dulo, dun sa last scene na parang may surge of like yung mind-controlled people na parang medyo zombie-like sila.
Yeah.
Parang natutuwa, ang saya lang nung whole like scene na yon na parang ang intense.
This actually, when that was happening, I really thought, my God, this show has everything. I mean, not only do they have like superhuman people and secret labs and all that sci-fi stuff. Aba, ipasok pa nila ang mga zombie. Ano pa ba? Aliens.
Correct. Oo.
Technically, hindi siya
Napasok nila
alien,
lahat.
pero merong blimp that they have to go
Correct.
on. So for me, alien na
Goodyear
yun. Alam
blimp.
mo yun? Diba?
Oo.
So, sobrang enjoy ko rin actually yung zombie apocalypse thing. But more than that, I thought it was also brilliant that they used a cult to be the front of a secret lab.
Very Korean.
Diba? It's actually very commentary to what cults are like in Korea.
Yung sa I also enjoyed like the fight scenes here, and yun nga, yung parang sa final, yung dun sa may lab nung sinesave na nila yung character ni Chenny. Kasi parang sobrang overused na yung Tarantino style na may nag-aaway tapos slow music. And I get annoyed already when I see that.
Sa
na
Uncanny
parang,
Counter may mga ganun.
oh, diba? Laging ganun eh.
Oo.
Parang overused na parang alam na natin yung style na yan. But I don't know, but for this one, it worked because yun nga, there's callback using creep, and then si Yunbi yung nasa pinakagatna ng shot, nakikita mo lahat ng gulo, siya lang yung sinusundan. So parang sabi, okay, in fairness, hindi ako nairita na ito na naman yung style na intense fight scene, slow song tayo, tas choreograph na It was very beautifully executed to me. I really liked that one.
Ganda nga yun.
And how they executed
Super.
it kasi, kahit na todo action, when it's todo action, you can still feel the comedy. Alam mo yun? So,
Correct.
it's still
Agree.
very
Yeah, very
extreme
Tarantino.
job,
Oh.
actually. When I found out that the
Oo.
the writer did extreme job, it totally makes sense. It's exactly when I watched extreme job. It's exactly how I felt. How I felt when I was watching it is exactly how I felt when I was watching Wonderfuls. Yung tipong Hindi ko na alam kung tatawa ko or iiyak or like in awe of all the punches and the guns and the action things. Like it's just so much fun. It's just very very entertaining. Alam mo yon? Like I think kaya din super enjoy ako dito kasi parang at the end of the day, minsan gusto ko lang talaga ng entertainment na ganito na kinalakihan natin. Alam mo yon? Parang this was like the blockbuster thing na hinahanap natin before. And it was a surprise, I guess, because I never followed. I didn't know that this existed. Like matagal na pala tong pinipress release na this project is upcoming, etc., etc. But like, this was a surprise to me na bigla ang ganon. And then all drop pa. So parang, whoa, okay, wow, this is such a feast to watch.
True that.
I have another question. So, I mentioned nga na yung superpowers nila triggered siya by a flaw or like a trauma of the characters. Kung sa inyo, kung meron kayong superpowers na triggered by your worst habit or deepest flaw,
Oh my God.
what do you think they would be? Gusto nyo bang sagutin yun?
Kailangan ng konting pondering. Ikaw muna.
Well,
Simulan
naisip
mo.
ko, for me, isa sa mga, it's a flaw but also a gift. Wow, a gift. Pero for me, I consider it a flaw because it would hinder me from doing things faster or more or parang sometimes nasa-stuck ako because of it. Pero yung perfectionism, like pag sumusobra siya, like it's stuck in my head. Like I end up not concluding anything because for me, I'd rather not put it out there kesa sa I'd rather not put something out there na half-baked kesa sa just letting go and just releasing whatever. Parang ganon. So, kung yun yung flaw ko, kung yun yung iniisip ko na flaw ko, parang iniisip ko like, because I really also want to teleport because I want to be a world traveler. So, siguro, para makapag-teleport, all I have to do is, kunwari, may naka-line up na, I don't know, pencils, tas may isang crooked. Kailangan ko lang kunyari may naka-line up na pencils. Kailangan ko lang tanggalin yung isa para maging crooked. And then, magte-teleport na ako. Parang ganon.
So, kailangan ka mag-break ng pattern.
Kailangan mag-break ng pattern.
Kailangan makahanap. Oo. So, may bookshelf. Tapos, tapos lahat
Tapos
sila
hindi
pula.
siya color-coded.
Magsisiksik ka ng isang black.
Oo,
Ganon.
parang
Oo.
So, parang it's also a lesson on
Madali lang siya in all fairness.
me, like, allowing myself na okay lang na hindi perfect. Kasi may reward din siya in the end. At
Pero
least may
kasi,
reward.
kung ang trigger kasi, similar to the show, is kinakabahan ka. So, kinakabahan ka habang pinapalitan mo siya. Pero pag nasasanay ka na, mawawalan ka ng power.
Well, yun din
Kasi
naman
hindi ka
yung
na
sa
kinakabahan.
Kasi you're healing your perfectionism. So, how else will you be able to trigger that, like, kaba feeling?
Coffee jelly.
Coffee jelly pa rin. Oo.
Kiss ni
Correct.
Chow Nuna lang. I think that's the best answer. Kayo, may mga sagot na ba kayo?
Then perfect. Charot lang, hindi. Hindi talaga. I don't know. What did I put out? Ikaw, Pia.
Back to you.
Back
Honestly,
to you.
hindi ko rin, parang ang iniisip ko lang right now, I guess, parang, I have a lot of insecurities. Baka yun na lang yung flaw ko. Ano insecurity ko about myself. And then, parang, in terms of like, superpower, parang, I'm fighting between the two, debating between the two. Kasi parang, as a communicator, syempre gusto ko yung nang brainwash as somebody who uses her
Yes.
words. Parang ganon. Pero parang masyadong negative. Parang gusto ko na lang mag-build ng nice worlds para mag-hallucinate, magpa-help ng hallucinate to make it like all the better. Parang yun yung mangyayari pag natitrigger yung insecurity at mag-positive tayo. Ganon. Parang yun yung gusto
So, paano
kong
nga siya lalabas?
maging,
Ano yung outcome?
kapag naririnig ko yung mga thoughts in my head, na parang
Oo.
kapag wala, di ka magaling, wala, di mo kaya yan, wala, whatever, ganyan. So parang pag natitrigger ako ng ganon, kaya kong mag-world building. What?
So, gagawa ng mga fantasy worlds. My God,
Like,
girl,
gagawin ko ng aquarium, parang, tas nandun na si Lihan sa gitna, ganon.
Okay,
Or
so-
kunwari, gagawa ko ng Carrot Land, ganon, tas
Oo.
nandyan na
When-
si Hoshi, ganon.
So, when you mean gagawa ka ng ganon is like an action. Hindi siya hallucination. It's like an actual.
Ay, hindi. Hallucination lang siya.
Hallucination
Kasi,
pa. Okay.
Paano? Oo, kasi
Hallucination
hindi,
pa rin.
may ganun bang power na parang biglang
Na actual?
nagawa ko.
Ay, si God may
Oo,
ganon.
kaya may almighty. Omni-powerful, ganyan.
Yun pala. Ano. Kaya nga nag-nuwindang ako kasi parang like, wow, shit, nasa level opposite ni yung Thanos. Ganon.
Correct. So,
Diba?
ano bang opposite ng snap?
Ganon.
Chicken.
Wow, very 90s reference. Pasok na pasok sa drama na
Right?
to.
Oh, at pasok na pasok kasi extreme job.
Correct.
Correct.
Chicken.
Oo.
Ikaw, Trency, ano na? May naisip ka na ba?
Nahirapan ako. Ano ko? Overthinking? Is it? Is it mine? Or laziness? Did I be lazy? I'm not lazy. Lazy-ish? I feel like, or, non-committal? Ang dami.
Ang dami na. Hindi tayo humihingi ng grocery list,
Oo
ng
nga
laundry list.
Ang dami mong reveal.
It's not
Ang dami
a
mong
confession.
thoughts.
Nire-reveal. So, siguro, focus na tayo sa non-commitment, no? So, every time,
So,
Everything
magiging adhesive ka?
pwede rin. Every time nagkaka-interest ako sa lalaki. Tapos kinakabahan na ako. Didikit ako sa kanya.
So, wala kang choice. Kailan ka ma-release? Anong
choice.
conditions para
Helpful
ma-release
yun kapag
ka?
nag-high-bye tayo.
Pag inamin ko sa kanya, mahal ko siya.
Diba, isipin mo na
Marerelease
sa
ka.
high-bye ka, tapos pag high-five ninyo sa high-bye, wala na. Andun ka na.
Girl, hindi pa ako nasa harap niya eh. Malayo pa lang na-attract na ako. Ganun. Ganon.
Kayo, Sarang Base, anong naisip nyo? Meron ba kayong flaw na gustong i-share? Wow! Sabihin nyo sa comment section.
Lagay niyo sa comments, tapos lagay niyo yung mga buong pangalan niyo.
Tapos palista, ang padamihan.
Padamihan.
Anong makukuha ninyo? Wala lang, parang lang.
Ano,
Nakapag-analyze
release.
kayo.
Correct.
Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-therapy.
True, dito
Self-therapy
kami.
ito.
Pero alam
Want
mo,
to
release
therapy
din
tayo.
to, di ba? By actually revealing, baka makatulong or whatever. And then, syempre, idagdag mo rin
namaste.
kung ano yung gusto mong superhero na matitrigger because of it. Because I guess if you think of your traumas
Superpower.
as something, superpower, if you think of your traumas as something that can bring you something in return, like na positive, baka makatulong. Wow, okay. Don't listen to me. That's me, like, not really treating you. That's not good advice. Basically, I am not certified. Anyway, so, meron pa ba kayong ibang mga reflections about this drama? Kasi sobrang nalungkot talaga ako dun sa tatlong wunderkinder na yung nag-groom sila to thinking a certain way. Pero deep down, parang mabait naman talaga silang tao, alam mo yon, hindi lang talaga nila alam kung ano yung tunay nila na identity. Mali lang talaga yung na-feed sa kanila. And, yeah, that's why they grew up that way. Tapos medyo parang nalungkot lang ako kasi, that's so true with so many people. There's so many negative people or so many people na, alam mo yon, parang mahirap kasama. And it's probably because meron silang mga ganong things na parang kumbaga hindi, nagsa-psychoanalyze na naman ako na hindi certified. Ayoko na nga. Pero ang point lang naman is, sometimes talaga flawed people din kasi, mayroon din pinanggagalingan. Parang hindi sila napakitaan ng love or ng proper
Pagmamahal.
ng love or
Ginamit
ng
lang
proper opportunities to figure out who they are talaga as people. Yung mga ganun bang thoughts. And may nabasa lang din ako in some of the reviews. Parang some people were complaining na while super high action, high comedy nitong drama na to, sobrang hindi nila bet na biglang may heaviness involved. Like that pace of it.
Oh, really?
Hindi siya
Okay.
parang ang random or chop-chop. Did you feel that?
Mm.
Kasi ako parang hindi ko naman siya na-feel. I thought that it
naman
was
siya
part
na-feel.
of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Ayun lang naman. Just asking. Pero are there other
enjoyed it,
reflections that
actually.
you wanna share about Wonderfools?
Ako kasi parang I took it as a, I mean, I appreciate the injections. I appreciate the fact that the villains aren't complete villains. Di ba? Parang hindi siya completely black and white. But as a general show, parang it's very light for me. It's something that, you
Yeah.
know, like if I would recommend it to someone, it's something you would watch after a very long day. So you can laugh and you can, sobrang add-on na lang talaga yung very
Kung may
fleshed
napipick up
out
ka.
characters. Oo. Parang add-on na lang siya to make the experience more rich. Pero parang like it's still, you know, very light. I mean, kahit na sinasabi, I mean, I didn't really read any reviews of it, but like sinasabi nila yun, but I didn't really feel that way. So,
Okay.
Ako for me, like, hindi talaga pwedeng mag-exist ang tao in a vacuum or mag-isa. Like, it's like letting other people in, making these connections with other people, that would help you feel feel things that will help you like appreciate life in general. Yung sa character ni Uno, parang magugulat ka pa na, "Oh, how dare he betray her 90% kasi nilagyan niya ng coffee jelly para
Correct,
hindi
oo.
full
Oo.
betrayal, ganon.
Oo.
Pero parang at the end
Bawi.
when he met with the Harmony and then he realized that whole montage na parang yung character ni Chenny was like, that's because you like us, yung ganon. Na parang he didn't have to make a huge effort to let them in. They kind of barged into his life and literally inside his house. Pero parang sometimes you just really need to let people in to just make you feel alive again and help you realize that the life is worth living. Ayun lang.
That's so true. Actually, that is one of my favorite bits nga. Yung in-invade lang siya. In-invade lang yung bahay niya. Like,
Tapos nilagyan ng tennis balls yung yung mga
I
furniture
know,
para hindi na
that's so
maingay. That
sweet,
is so
diba? Super cute nun. Or kahit na yung nakatambay na sila sa bahay, nagluluto, pero kahit na wala dun si Uno, yung tipong nagsasabi
Kain
sila,
sila.
uy, linisin mo yan kasi magagalit si master. Ganon. Like, let's make sure everything's clean. So, gets yung may
Sam.
care naman. May care naman for him kasi nga they consider him as a friend na. But anyway, we're down to the last part, rating out of 5 stars. How would you rate the show and who would you recommend it to? And how would you say your recommendation? Would you like
How
to
would you
start,
say?
Pia?
Me, I give this K-drama a 4.5. I recommend it to those who enjoy silliness and those who would want to laugh out loud. And apparently, because my daughter watches Stranger Things, maybe if that's their cup of
true
tea, this is
that.
something they'll enjoy as well. So my elevator pitch is the silliest superpowers wrapped in a silliest superpowers, silliest friendship, and lots of laughter in between.
That's nice. Ako, I think I would rate it 4 out of 5. I think I already mentioned earlier kung kayo ko siya i-recommend sa mga taong pagod sa araw nila at gusto nilang mawala at matransport sa ibang mundo kung saan very hopeful ang mundo, nakakatawa, and you know, it really feels like home.
Home.
So, ayun. Oo. And yeah, and siguro mga like fans ng mga superhero films and
Yeah.
series.
Same with me, that I would recommend it to fans of action superhero films. Maybe to those na dating fans of Marvel pero medyo nagsawa na kasi sobrang na-saturate yung mga Marvel series. How about try a Korean version instead? Diba? I
that.
think this is technically, directorially, acting-wise, performance-wise, it's really up there. Kaya niyang even top like the kind of superhero films that we've seen in the past. And I think I have recommended to some of my friends who are into that. And not just films, yung mga comic book guys, comic book friends. Sinabihan ko na silang lahat actually to check out Wonderfools. And for that, because bilib na bilib talaga ako sa kanya, I really had so much fun watching this show. I give this a 5 out of 5. It's my kind of K-drama. It was a great surprise kasi hindi ko ina-expect na makakapanood ako ng something like this. Because, hindi siya yung usual K-drama that we see. So, I appreciate it. I appreciate all their efforts. And I can't wait for the second season kasi meron pa teaser that the story is not over.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
looking forward to that. Gusto ko rin siya i-recommend sa lahat ng mga mahihilig sa Pogi. Because Chaonu. Like, how can you not skip this? Because Chaonu's here. Super Pogi, di ba? Why not? So there, that is
True
the
that.
end of our discussion. But this show isn't over because we still have a game kung kaya pa ng mga brains namin. This game is a category game. Basically, paramihan lang ng alam. Kami ay mag-round robin. Magsasabi kami ng mga things under categories that I will be saying. And bawal mag-ulit ng mga either word or names or group names sa game na ito. And then I guess the first person who flubs is out, ang matira ang winner. I have 2 categories for this game. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so ang first category sa game na to ay Best Trios and Pop Culture. Trency, I'd like you to start. And then Pia and then me.
Sinong kasunod?
Ikaw,
Okay.
Pia. Okay. And
Trency
in
first.
3, 2, go.
Gomburza.
Pia?
Busok soon.
Oh, cute. That's really cute. Ako, Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia, and Han Solo.
Yun lang. Wala na akong sagot. That's it. I'm done.
Okay.
I'm out.
Sige, let's
I think
continue
enough na yung
agad.
Gomburza for me.
Yun na yun. Enough.
Enough
Tapos
na
pop
yun.
culture eh. Galing.
Oo, pop culture talaga siya. Kasi yun, napakita siya sa TV. TV talaga. Oo. Bayani.
Okay,
Okay.
Pia, let's go.
Me? Boy Next Door Prodline.
May ganon. Talaga
Minus-
sila. Oo.
Tessa,
Like,
Nunak, Jayon.
oo nga eh.
Sige, edi pasok na natin yung 3 ratcha kasi may 3 na siya. In
Tsaka
the
may
name.
3.
Tama.
True. Tama.
Epic High!
Ah,
Ay,
cute.
correct. Epic high.
Gusto kong isingit si Ron, Hermione, and Harry.
Ay, okay yun.
Oo.
Okay yun.
Wala. Ako, I'm just sticking to K-pop. So, ang kasunod natin, Orange Caramel.
Oh,
Di ba
cute.
sila doon?
Tatlo sila.
Okay, sige, let's shift this to K-pop. Oh no, tama ba? Si Minamo. Mali.
Misamo.
Misamo. Minamo. Misamo.
Misamo.
Yun, oh, yun. So, tanggap na natin
Twice.
yun. Oo.
At dahil dyan, Do Jejung ng NCT.
May ganun pala sila.
Tatlo. Doyun, Jaeyoon, and Jungwon.
Oh no, I might lose this round. Teka. 3.
Binilangan niya sarili
ano?
niya. 3,
Si Jongmin.
1.
Anong pangalan niya? Anong
Coyote.
pangalan ng grupo niya? Basta yon.
Coyote.
Oh, Coyote.
Me, BTS Rap Line.
I guess
3,
the Maknae line of
2.
17. Wow.
Doremi.
The Doremi.
Oh my God, pwede
Yeah.
yung Dory.
CBX ng EXO.
Ha? Sino pa bang tatlo? Teka lang. 3.
May na-mention ka na. Think Filipino.
Oh my God. Kung Filipino, ang
Apo
dami na biglang
Hiking
pumasok sa utak ko.
Society.
Ang ganda na Apo Hiking Society.
Tito Vic and Joey.
Ay, yun. Oo.
3. 3.
Bibilangan na ba kita? 3,
Oo.
2.
Ayoko na.
1.
Tunog karaoke na ako eh. Ang tagal na rin ito. Sige, so let's give it to Pia. Para we can move on.
Hindi
to
mo na
the next
na-mention mo na
category.
kanina, Doremi. May isa pang Doremi.
Si
Diba?
Donna Regine and Mikey.
Oh my
Mikey.
God. Oo nga naman. Di ko naisip yun. I'm sorry.
Diba?
Okay.
May ngayon lang pumapasok sa utak ko, Vanna. Nakalimutan din natin.
Tatlo lang ba sila? Di ba sila
Oh
4?
my
Talaga
gosh.
ba? Okay, baka
Meron
mali ako.
pang mga TLC, Hanson. Hindi
Oo,
natin pinasok
correct.
yung
Ang dami.
Western. O, diba?
Oo. Marami
But
pa silang
anyway,
trio. Tsaka
maybe
ano,
we can-
Jesus, Joseph, Mary, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Pop culture yung Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao eh. 3
It's
stars and the
culture.
sun, Pilipinas!
Oo, gagi. Kasi
Ganon.
pop culture siya kasi kita siya sa mga tato ng lahat ng mga Filipino-American boys.
Hindi naman sila tao.
Oh my God, the Lonely Island Trio.
Lonely
Ah.
Island Trio. Oh.
Okay. So next category natin ay words that you can create out of the word fool. Kasi the title is Wonderful, so might as well
Okay.
paglaruan na rin natin ang pangalan na ang word na yon. O, diba?
Okay.
So Pia, would you like to go for it? Actually, matatalo ako dito. But go. Try na rin natin.
Swimming Fool.
Okay. My turn. Oh no. Kasi April Fool lang yun
3.
naisip ko, pero parang 2 words yon. So, mali. Sige, never mind. Out na lang ako.
So again, like, kudos to you. The suko is real. Ako, fulutan.
Ako, fulang bato.
Wow!
In fairness.
Wala na.
Oo. So, fula. Fula yung ano mo. Yung word mo. Fullerton Hotel in Singapore.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
Kung ganon, edi, ayoko na. Suko na ako.
Nakalimutan mo yung Cutie-ful.
Beautiful.
Cutie-ful.
Um,
I guess that is our game
Fula
for this
full.
episode. Pia's on a roll. She can still say a lot of words. Go for it lang. Keep on going as I do my
Okay.
ending ment. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode.
Samful.
This has been fun. Share this episode with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Ay, walang entry. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.
Nag-iisip pa.
See you on our next episode. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, and Saranghay.
Kang Ful.
Kang Fu.
Saranghay!
Kang Ful.
Bakit kang full?
Yung nagsulat ng
Writer.
moving.
Anong klaseng adhesive kaya meron si Samchon?
Elmer's glue.
Or
Hindi, mahina, Elmer's
Greco?
glue.
Or
Kayong
rugby?
dalawa makakasagot.
Contact
Yun kayo yung
cement.
Ano, eh.
Rugby.
Ano?
Rugby, pero pag rugby kasi kailangan muna, di ba, medyo i-dry. ng
Patuyuin.
konti. So, bago yun,
Oo.
hindi ka,
So, nahulog na siya sa blimp, basically. Nung
Oo.
init siya sa blimp, gumaganon siya. Oo.
Hindi, pero mabilis naman daw kasi yung pag-itcha sa kanya. So,
Oh, so yun yung air. Oo.
Oo,
Ah.
so yun. Tapos, shook, ganon.
Kasama yun sa strategy nila.
Correct,
Sa
correct, correct.
strategy.
Kasi may contact
high pa
cement
sila.
na ng 90s.
Literal.
Oo.
Oo.
Correct.
Diba? Tapos high pa sila nun. Saya.
Mm.
Rugby boys.
Ang tagal ko. Bakit sila hi? Okay.